was a kid, I wanted to be a good reporter.
Miss Bennett, I was
Must be
aware
higher.
you were a stockholder.
There's a couple things you're not aware of.
Here you go,
Like
here.
how to tweeze your eyebrows, for instance. Also, when Deeds gave away his fortune, he gave away something that wasn't his.
What are you talking about?
I have here the diary of Tristan Blake. Still looking at it. Things don't matter. I did it for reasons like this. I would like to read a passage from Mr. Blake's diary, dated April 12th, 1957. I am a volcano of lust. I've gotten
This foreign business by following my heart. And I must follow it now. In love. If she just gives me a sign, an opening.
Want me to wet the leaves on your ficus tree, Mr. Blake?
You can call me Preston.
Want me to wet the leaves on your ficus tree? Preston?
Yes. Yes. Yes!
Who is this mystery woman? I have here the Blake Media Ledger signing book from April 1957. On the night of the 12th, there was only one woman working on Preston Blake's floor. Sadly, 9 months later, she died giving birth to a son. A son born January 23rd, 1958.
That is my birthday.
To Miss Consuela Lopez.
That is my mother.
And the rightful heir to $40 billion.
That is my money.
A simple DNA test will show that Emilio Lopez is the majority stockholder to Blake Media.
That is my money.
That's no money.
That is my money. Take it down, Emilio. That is good thing for everyone. Please, for me, for that balloon.
People, please.
That is my money.
Don't be misled. These are all lies.
Mr. Cedar, you are fired.
You can't fire me! I'm in control! Get your hands on me! I'm touching!
At the lake, when you saved my life, which I never got a chance to properly thank you for,
You're welcome.
you said that you didn't know who I was, and it made me realize I don't know who I am. So I started working on it, and here's what I got so far. My name is Babe Bennett. I grew up in Syosset, Long Island. I have brown eyes, and I don't know what my natural hair color is anymore. When I was in 5th grade, I got a crush on Walter Cronkite, and I really did have that Holly Hobby notebook I was telling you about. I love Bruce Springsteen, Almond Roca, and Abbott and Costello movies. I don't like licorice or my ankles. More importantly, I know that I messed up real bad, and I'd be willing to spend the rest of my life begging you to give me another chance, because I am so deeply in love with you. And I know that it's definitely that forever kind of love that...
You're crazy. You have beautiful ankles. Let's go home. You're fired. You? Oh, you are definitely fired.
I'd like to stay. I think I can really do some good if I just got another chance.
Not fired. But tomorrow morning, you let me change your socks.
Okay.
And you, long fellow, you are the one who made all this possible with your beautiful words and your beautiful spirit. And Miss Bennett with her beautiful research. How can I thank you?
All I want is your friendship, Emilio. You're a good man. I'll miss you.
Deeds. How about $1 billion?
All right.
Done.
Holy jeez. I can't believe it.
What's that, Daisy?
It's a letter from Hallmark. They're actually going to buy one of my cards.
Gosh, which one?
The one I wrote for you. Do you remember it?
Hard to breathe, feels like floating.
So full of love, my heart's exploding.
Mouth is dry. Hands are shaking.
My heart is yours for the taking.
Acting weird, not myself.
Dancing around like the Keebler elf.
Finally time for this whole club
To know how it feels to fall in love.
I'm so proud of you.
Can you believe these bought us all these?
Damn, these things are fast.